Whether crafting, creating, repairing, or rebuilding, it's amazing what you can do when you put your mind to it. All it takes is unwavering perseverance and the right tool in your hands. When you combine your creativity and know-how with a Letherman, you have the confidence you need to take on whatever arises in your everyday, real life. No matter what real life entails, your Letherman is right there by your side, helping you tackle challenges, go on adventures, and excel under pressure. Together, you and your Letherman become a powerful force. Letherman, for real life.
Measuring tapes help us measure distances and the dimensions of different objects. But a measuring tape doesn't work in every situation. Why isn't there a single tool that lets us measure everything? Now, there is. Introducing Braeön, the smart tape measure. Braeön lets you measure just about anything, at home and at work. Braeön has 3 different modes: string mode, wheel mode, and remote mode. String mode is great for measuring straight lines, curves, and around corners. Wheel mode lets you measure irregular or odd-shaped objects. And it also makes taking measurements with one hand much easier. Remote mode lets you measure objects that are far away and out of your reach. After you're done measuring, you'll need a way to record your measurements. Using pen and paper can be a real hassle. With Braeön, you can quickly and easily save your measurements with voice descriptions. Just take your measurement, push the Save button, and then tag a voice memo to it.
Door of the future radar.
When you're done, Braeön will send your measurements to Braeön's mobile app via Bluetooth. This mobile application lets you review your saved measurements and share them with your friends. Braeön is precise. It uses our patented technology to make sure you always get an accurate measurement. Also, Braeön has an easy-to-read digital display that's viewable in most lighting conditions.
In the past few years, all sorts of measuring devices have become smarter and made our lives easier. Smart scales, smart thermometers, and even smart watches. But when it comes to measuring size, we still use a tape measure which is more than a century old. Why don't we innovate the way we measure size? So we created Braeön, a smart tape measure. We put a lot of effort into creating Braeön. Our team worked night and day to make the best quality product with this friendly design. We have our final prototype that is ready for mass production. Now we need your help to deliver this amazing product to everyone. Please help us bring this Braeön to life. Thank you.
Size matters. Braeön.
Introducing Braeön, the next step in material evolution, a pure polymer ribbon, the lightest, strongest, most adaptable material that has ever been invented. One single ribbon resists over 2,500 pounds of pull strength. Dare to go farther. Dare to pull harder. Strong as steel. Thin as paper. Easy to use. Unlimited possibilities. Three rivets, weighing 1/10 of an ounce total, are capable of towing a 5,000-pound truck up a 30-degree grade. When in contact with itself under heat, it forms a single homogeneous structure when cooled, totally resistant to cold, abrasion, puncture, moisture, and chemicals. Flexible, formable, reformable. Can be form-fitted into medical and athletic protection. Bite splints and mouth guards, toe caps and safety guards. Can be shaped into a myriad of custom grips and handles. Braeön.